So just when you thought you had a handle on phishing, AI comes along and changes the whole game. Hey everyone, Stan here from Stan's Garage, and if you're new to the channel, I've been running STG Infotech, managed IT service provider here in Los Angeles for the past 15 years. On this channel, I help businesses like yours understand everything you need to know about effective IT management. Give you a little tech news to boot. Today, we're going over a topic that affects businesses worldwide, the evolving landscape of AI-produced phishing attacks. As we know, AI can be both a friend or in this case, a foe when it comes to the realm of cybersecurity. Let's explore why AI is changing the phishing game for the worse and how your business can stay ahead. Historically, phishing emails were easy to spot. Obvious grammatical errors and poor layouts. In fact, that was a strategy. They're like, if someone's gonna fall for this terrible grammar, they're gonna be an easy mark. But anyway, with the help of AI, attackers can now craft convincing messages that are more professional and challenging to identify, and potentially catching some much more savvy users in their webs. These emails often bypass traditional filters, making it crucial for businesses to adapt their defenses. AI-driven attacks, especially through business email compromise, BEC attacks, are becoming increasingly prevalent. Attackers can impersonate high-profile individuals within organizations, leading to scams that can result in substantial financial losses. In 2022 alone, BEC attacks surged by 81%, with a median open rate of 28%. Clear that businesses need to be proactive in defending against these sophisticated threats. That's all stuff you know. How about to combat AI-powered phishing attacks? Enterprises are going to have to leverage advanced machine learning algorithms on their own, along with anomaly detection and real-time monitoring. AI-powered email protection systems can analyze content, subject lines, flagging suspicious conversations. Additionally, anti-phishing tools should scan messages for key indicators of an attack, which is brand spoofing and impersonation attempts using SPF, DKIM, and DMARC authentication techniques. Recognizing that not all attacks can be detected solely by technology, providing employees with a way to report suspected attacks is crucial. By encouraging staff to report phishing attempts directly in their email client or web browser, organizations can gather valuable insights into ongoing attacks and potential targets. Virtual sandboxing acts as a crucial line of defense as well, isolating malicious attachments in a virtual system away from endpoints. This ensures that harmful links and attachments are automatically removed, preventing any damage to the system. However, the human factor remains, and that's the last line of defense. So how are we going to address that? Well, a well-trained staff educated on recognizing phishing attacks can further strengthen the security posture of any organization. In the age of AI-enhanced phishing tactics, it's clear that businesses need to stay informed and invest in robust cybersecurity measures. So as always, I would love to hear your thoughts on this. You know, there's been a lot of talk about these AI phishing threats coming. What are some of your current defenses for preventing phishing threats of any type? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. So thank you for watching Stan's Garage. It really means a lot to me. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.